Now after you downloaded your program, we will start first by adding a structure. If you take a look at this icon, you have many shapes of structure. We will choose a rectangular one. Now you go to and right click on it. Now edit object. Now this will shows you the position and the dimension of your film. Now this X and Y and Z shows you the center of the shape, and the span, X span, Y span and Z span will show you the dimension. So you want to make this one 3 micron, this 3 micron, and we don't care now about Z because our simulation is a 2D simulation, but we will make them all one. Now if you look at this one here, as the center is 0 and the span is 3, so this one will be, the minimum will be from minus 1.5 to the maximum 1.5. Now we will go to the material. This here you can specify your material from the library. If you didn't find the material in the library, you can just add the number of the index here. We will just go define our material to be silicon, because this is our medium, effective medium. So this is silicon. Now for the rotation, I didn't go, this allows you to rotate your structure. We are not gonna do this for now. So okay, so this is your film now. Now if you look at this one, this is a perspective view. It shows you the X direction, the Y direction, and the Z axis now here. And this one will shows you the X and the Y view. For our simulation, we will make it a 2D simulation for the X and the Y. And we want to add the source up here, so it will pass through, it's injected in the Y direction and pass through the silicon film. And then we want to add here we want to add a metal sheet. So I will go back to structure and add another rectangle, right click, edit the object. I'm gonna make the X the same, 3, and for the Y span I'm gonna make it 0.5. Z again, I'm gonna make it 1 for everything. So now if I click OK, you can see that this one will be centered at Y equals 0. So I will make OK. So as you can see here, it's here in the middle of the silicon film. I need to move it down here. So there is many ways to do this. One of them is just a scan. If you can look at the silicon here, the minimum of the silicon film will be at minus 1.5, as you can see from here. So you can just make the maximum of your metal sheet start from minus 1.5. So we go back to this one and make it the maximum will be minus 1.5, and this one we will add more 0.5. So if you look now, the span is 0.5, and it just moved your center position. If you click OK, you can see that it moved down there. So in new version, you couldn't you have another button here which is apply. I don't have it because this is an old version. You have apply here. When you click on apply, it will just apply the changes without take you out of this window. Now I will go to material and I will make it aluminium and click OK. So this is my structure now.